Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog. I don't know, I'm not really sure exactly the style of the video, but I know what it's going to be. So me and my boyfriend currently bought a house and we just moved into it, and I am designing my Poshmark office / eBay office, really a reseller office. I don't know why I keep saying Poshmark. It's a reseller office. And yeah, I threw out, like, I only have one piece of furniture in here, which my phone's sitting on right now, and it's like this cube situation. But I'm gonna show you the space. It's really messy right now, but I'm gonna show you the space, kind of give you my ideas of what I want the layout to be, and then we're gonna go looking for furniture. We're gonna go to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods. I think they have a Tuesday mornings around here, which I don't know, it looks like a place that sells furniture. I just drove by it. And we might go thrifting. I would like to find the things in person because, you know, immediate satisfaction of putting it in the room, but some things we might have to order online depending. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm going to show you a quick little before of the room, show you what everything looks like, and then at the end you'll see the process and you're going to see the after at the end. So stay tuned for that. And if you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Megan and I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. I like to share my reseller journey here on YouTube, so consider hitting that subscribe button down below if that is something you're interested in, and let's get into the video. Okay, so here's my current Poshmark office as it is. So a lot of this stuff really needs to go in inventory in my storage unit, but my storage unit is still in the process of being moved, so it's just kind of like messy like that for that reason. But along this wall, I'm going to keep the Z-rack here. I'm going to set up my lights here so I can have a photo wall right there. We have a closet for hanging inventory there. That's going to stay the same. I'm going to make that kind of like my shipping center right there with all the shipping supplies and all that stuff. And then along this back wall here, I would like to put a bookshelf right across here, and then have, like, you know, bookshelf, chair, desk. So basically the bookshelf will be kind of like the backdrop for all my videos. I know it's not like a book channel, but like it's a pretty background and I need a place for my books, so that's how it's gonna go. Bookshelf, desk, and yeah, that's kind of what I want it to be like. So we're gonna go on the hunt today, mainly for a bookshelf, mainly for a desk, maybe some cute decor if we find it. I do have some cute little things to hang around. Like I have this thing, it's upside down, but it says just a girl boss building her empire. We have this little thing that says stay kind, and then that thing that I also need to hang, which I think that would look really nicely hung up right there. So yeah, this is what we're going to be transforming over the course of the video, so let's get into it. Before we leave, I just have to show off my outfit because I'm honestly obsessed with how I look, like how my outfit looks today. So we have this cute little graphic tee. It says good vibes, high tides. Got this thrifted, obviously. Then I got these cute little navy pinstripe pants. They're by Divided, H&M, but I got them at the bins. So, and they're actually pretty lightweight. So these probably cost me about $1 for these pants, which is great. And then for shoes, I'm just wearing some platform Tevas that I got at the consignment store. So super cute outfit, all secondhand. Okay, so first we are at Target and World Market, so I'm gonna go inside, see if we have any desks. Maybe I'll film a little bit in there, maybe not, but yeah, let's go in. Okay, so I'm home now. I got a desk. I'm so excited. I got a desk. It's exactly what I was wanting, white with gold trim. I'm kind of hoping the bookshelves are gonna be white with gold trim, probably just gonna be plain white depending on what like I find and stuff. But yeah, I got desks. I got 2 entrance rugs. I got 2 area rugs for the dining room, so Lewis will have options like when he gets home and stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna go in, drop off all this stuff, see if I need to buy any tools to assemble that desk, and then we're gonna go back out on the hunt for some office chairs, some cute desk decor to put my little pens and things in. So yeah, let's get back to work. I don't know where I'm going with the ending of this, but yeah, got a desk. That's the important part. I did the desk. I moved all the crap to this corner, so we have a messy corner, but look how nice and clean it looks over here. This I'm gonna hang next. Well, actually not next. I'm gonna go look for a seat chair, desk chair, roller chair there. I would go look for a bookshelf, but honestly, I just took it out of the package to be like, oh, do I need like a drill to put this thing together? And then it turned out being so easy to put together. I just did this in literally like, I don't know, 30 minutes. Super quick, love that. I have my new little candle on here, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, so this is how it looks right now. I am so happy with the way it came out. Now we're on the hunt for a chair, that cute little decor to go on top and put all my pens and stuff. And yeah, there it is. Home Goods was a success. Okay, so I just left Home Goods. I just left Big Lots. They're right next to each other. It's been a long day. I'm tired, but at least I have my desk. I have that assembled. I have 3 bookshelves on order. I need to go pick them up from the store whenever they text me to tell me that they're ready. And then, honestly, the hardest thing that I'm finding today is finding the chair, which I'm really surprised about. I thought that was going to be like the easiest part. That is like the hardest part for me right now to find. So there's a few more places I might go to check out the chair, but I need to go drop all this other stuff off at home so I have room for the 3 bookshelves in my car. Hopefully we find a chair on the way home though. I guess I should say the reason the chair is so hard to find is because there's gold trim on my desk, and I really want the metal on the chair to be gold as well, which is why I think it's hard to find. I mean, there's office chairs, they just don't have the gold trim that I want, but I did look some up on Amazon and I might order them online. I mean, I kind of wanted everything today just so it could be perfect and done, but I don't really think that's gonna happen. The bookshelves are a success. Time to get them home, but honestly, I don't even think I can lift them to put them in my house. So maybe we'll assemble them tomorrow, but maybe tonight, depending if I can lift them. Okay, so we're on day 2 of my office. This is how it looks. We got 2 bookshelves up last night. The desk is up, so now it's all about organizing and cleaning. Okay, so I've made pretty good progress. All the bookshelves are filled, and now pretty much this stuff doesn't live in here, and everything else I just have to go get storage bins for, cute little like cups for my desk to put my pens in, and I think there's a good chance it'll be done today. Okay everyone, so day 2 outfit of the day, we got on a dark gray Rolling Stones shirt, which I tied and rolled up to like give it a cute cropped look, and then we just have some wide leg cropped leopard print pants, and that's today's outfit. Now's the fun part. Now's more of the decor. We got the desk, we got the bookshelves. I need to find a swivel chair, but mainly today I think we're going to be focusing on decor and stuff, because I might order a chair online and then just use like a dining chair in the meantime until that comes in, but we'll see. But yeah, let's see what they have in here. Hopefully some good stuff. Okay, so I went to Joann's Fabrics, which really was kind of more spontaneous, just because it was in the shopping center I'm at. I went to Target. I've been to so many stores again today. I just feel like all I do is shop now, which I shop for a living, right? Like thrifting. But anyways, I think I got everything I need for my office. Now, the messy part of my office is generally still going to be there because I need my stuff from my storage unit to really put away my inventory and stuff, although I can hang things and whatever. But yeah, I think we got everything. We can go home and clean. I mean, the only thing I'm missing is my office chair, but I'm just going to order that online because I can't find one I like in the store. I didn't get too many decorations because, well, I don't know. I need to see what the space is going to look like first. And then I have a painting back there, and I'm really excited to get that hung up. So hopefully this vlog can be done today. Well, probably not, because I still have to order the chair, and then I want to wait for the chair to come in and show you guys the end result. But yeah, the decorating part's almost over. Okay everybody, it is day 3. This is my outfit today. I got these cute little Tory Burch sandals I got from Clothes Mentor, some frame jeans I got from the bins, and this cute shirt I got on Marshall's clearance for like $2. So I think all in all we got like $10 into my outfit today. But this will probably be my last check-in for a little bit. So for you guys, it'll be only a few seconds. For me, it's gonna be like a whole week. I ordered a swivel chair that is coming in, and I'm gonna be moving my storage unit in a week as well. So then my office will be cleared up and cool, and then we'll do the end little tour of everything. So I thought I wasn't gonna have any updates for a while, but we decided to move my whole storage unit into my office. So the bookshelves were moved to a different room. The storage is right here. So now we're like where we started again with this huge mess. Okay everybody, so it's been a while since I filmed a clip for this vlog, so I was waiting for my chair to come in, and it's finally come in. So I'm gonna put it together, and then I'm gonna hang my artwork, and my office will be done, and we're gonna do a reveal. And my office transformed from when we moved in to where the pretty bookshelves are. Now we have all my inventory, so office has gone through a lot of transformations, but I can't wait to get everything put together and just be done with it and work in peace and harmony in here. So I'm gonna get to working. It is finally time. I started filming this video like 2 weeks ago. Everything is in, everything is built, everything is clean and organized, and it's finally time for the reveal, the ending, for you guys to see my office and give you guys a tour of it. So let's just get into it. We are starting at the entrance. Right here is just this thing that I've had forever, and then I got these really cute fashion minimalist art things for the wall, like art little canvases for the wall. You guys, these were $40 for all 3 at Target. Like it came in a bundle set, but they were on clearance for $12. So that is $4 a picture, and they are so stunning, so beautiful, so perfect for a Poshmark office. And yeah, then we have this wall over here where I just have some large flat rate mailers. I don't really use these too much, but I just like to have them for like if I need a bigger like thing for big bundles, and I just keep them behind the door. When it's closed you don't see it. And then we have this wall right here, which I use to store all of my inventory. So I have a variety of different size bins, but in general I just like these clear bins. I have like box G, box C, box O, and then I have a document on my computer, or like a Google Doc, whatever, that has all the like inventory in their location. So usually if I sell something, I'll just go like find in note or something, or find in doc, whatever it is called, and then that's how I find my inventory. That's my inventory. I'm so happy. It fits perfectly on this wall. Down here I just have like some inventory too. These are just like bathing suits, bras, bikinis, and then we have my steamer, which is living there for the moment. Over here we have the window, and under that I have kind of like my shipping center. So I have a bunch of different supplies. Here is some like things I use for Poshmark. So I always like to use the free priority mail packaging for Poshmark. I have extras of it up there. This is just kind of like, I like to keep a little bit at a time so it doesn't look overwhelming. And then here I have all my eBay mailers, and then I have some printed poly mailers, which I use for Mercari, because Mercari doesn't have their own packaging, and I don't like to send it in eBay bags, so I get like poly mailers off Amazon, so I let myself keep the cute ones. Okay, then down here I keep some of the bubble mailers, but then I also keep most of my inventory packaging, so it's all down there. I just ordered these off Amazon, and they're just like clear little cellophane bags with the self-seal, which is why I really like them, and those live there. We got printer paper, pens, pencils, all that fun stuff. And yeah, then, oh yeah, here are just like some supplies. We have like Goo Gone, a lint roller, and the magic eraser back there. And then I have my little printer set up. So I have a Rollo printer. I actually took one of the labels to make a new box, but anyway, they're supposed to go like that, and they go here. Here's like all my labels down in here. I love this thing so much. And then right here, I just have my printer. Over here, I just have some storage because, I don't know, I just have a bunch of crap and nowhere to store it. I mean, I love my desk, but you know, there's not much storage in there. So I bought these cute little bins. I have this cool little blue floral bin that I got from HomeGoods, and then this bottom one, which I got from Joann's Fabrics. This has most of like my reseller officey stuff. This just has a bunch of arts and crafts. Then we have some pictures. I'm not quite sure where to hang, so they just live there, and honestly, they look kind of nice there, so I'm okay with it. Then we move on. Over here is my desk. So my desk came from Target. It was $90, so not too expensive, and I just really loved it because it's white, and I love the gold legs on it. So on top of my desk, I just have my computer. This thing, which I believe I got from Target, but I got it like when I was a freshman in college, so it's been a while. Then I got these lights. These are just sitting here, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, if I'm going to keep them or not, but these were from HomeGoods. Over here, we just have some of my desk stuff. So little pencil holder, Florida thing, picture of me and my boyfriend, and strawberry pound cake, which honestly is just there because it has gold lettering and everything has gold accents on it. So that's why that's there. And then this is the artwork I decided to get. So it was, it's like a mirror, hi. I was like searching for artwork for this spot for a while, and then yesterday me and my boyfriend went to HomeGoods and I saw this and it's just so beautiful. I had to get it. This is one of my favorite like Louis Vuitton prints. It's the one with, what's his name? Takashi Murakami, I think, is the one who designed this Louis Vuitton print with the white and then the rainbow letters. It's like been like one of my favorites. And then I love how it contrasts against like pink Gucci, Marilyn, and her gold tears match all the gold little accents. Okay, so over here we have my swivel chair, which I just built, which the reason I didn't buy one in person is because I really wanted that part to be gold there, and it was really hard to find one, so I had to order it online. This came from Amazon, and it was about like $100 or something. It is really comfortable too. And on it, I just have a cute little pillow. I have my sweater here just because I always get cold while I work, and that's like my favorite sweater I've ever thrifted, and I just wear it all the time. And then a cute little trash can that I got from HomeGoods. Alright, yeah, coming to this wall, we have this cool little board, which again, I've had since, I don't know, I was a sophomore in college when my mom bought it for me, and I've been using it ever since, and yeah, it's just kind of empty. I need to write on it, but I just hung it yesterday, so yeah, me and my boyfriend hung that, we hung that, I hung all those with command strips. It was a busy day. And then over here, I have my photographing wall with my Z-rack, and I have extra hangers up in there. But yeah, this is just where I prep all my inventory. There are my umbrella lights, which I will pull out and use for the wall. And then over here, we have a closet that came with the room. We have a little backpack right here, because if I ever like go out with my computer or like I go to a cafe to list or something, I always take my backpack, so it just sits there. And then here we have this little closet where I keep all my hanging inventory that are too big to be packaged in these types of bags. So I put all my hanging stuff here. On top we just have some packing filler. This is just honestly stuff I saved from when I've gotten packages and stuff. And then we just have some like random stuff up there. To be processed shoes down there. And that is the end of my office tour. Now I do have a shoe rack, but it's actually just, I'll go show it to you, but it's in like one of these closets in the other room because I didn't have room in here. This is in another room where I moved my bookshelves to, and this is where I just keep my shoe rack. We weren't using the closet, so I put my shoe rack in here. So here's all my shoes that are for sale, plus some purses there because I don't have a place to hang them anymore. But yeah, there is all that. And this is actually the room I moved my bookshelves to. So they're going to be in here, and then we're going to take our living room couch when we get our new couch in and put it there. So it'll be like a little reading nook, reading room, den area, and yeah, there's all that. Okay, so that is the end of this office tour, this office transformation, this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one because I just went thrifting this morning, which means I gotta film a haul. And spoiler alert, spoiler alert, I found a dress that retailed for over $1,000. And I think I paid, well, how much did I pay for it? Dresses are $250 because it was $5 half off. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.